of the Rohingya had been waiting for years. After just over a month of deliberations, the 17 judges of the International Court of Justice unanimously concluded that Myanmar's Rohingya community is at serious risk of genocide. They ordered the country to take immediate steps to prevent this from happening.
The Republic of the Union of Myanmar shall, in accordance with its obligations under the Convention on the Prevention and Punishment of the Crime of Genocide, take all measures within its power to prevent the commission of all acts within the scope of Article 2 of the Convention.
The orders are known as provisional measures, the equivalent of restraining orders. They include preventing killing the Rohingya or causing them serious bodily or mental harm, and preserving evidence of possible genocide that's already occurred. The Gambia launched the case in November after it accused Myanmar's army of trying to exterminate the Rohingya in violation of the 1948 Genocide Convention. It applied for the measures until a fuller investigation could be launched, which could take years. Its Justice Minister welcomed the ruling.
This is a historic day today, not just for international law and the international community, but especially for the Rohingya.
More than 730,000 Rohingya have fled to Bangladesh from Myanmar following a military crackdown in 2017. UN investigators say the campaign had been carried out with genocidal intent. But Myanmar's leader Aung San Suu Kyi has denied this. The Nobel Peace Prize laureate has accused the Rohingya of exaggerating their suffering. For the members of the Rohingya community, the court's decision is a vindication of their plight.
I feel that this is very strong and milestone and historic result for our community. As a Rohingya myself, as I grown up in Arkhane state, we have seen that so many decades Rohingya have been facing genocide, intentionally destroying our community. So today, this result gives us a kind of much encouragement for our community.
For many, the decision will be seen as a victory for those who've been described as among the most persecuted people on earth. Shamim Chowdhury, TRT World.
So the result of the note-taking is, after 4 years, Rohingya have been waiting. 17 judges from International Court of Justice concluded that Myanmar and Rohingya community is a serious risk of genocide. The President of International Court of Justice said, Republic United of Myanmar with obligation under Convention, Prevention and Punishment Crime of Genocide, take all measures with power preventative commission or act with scope of Article 2 Convention. Judges said that preventing killing Rohingya make them serious mental harm, like Gambia cases, and in November, Myanmar's army tried to term Rohingya violence and 1948 of genocide. Gambian Justice Minister said, today not just international law and international community, but especially Rohingya. More than 700,000 Rohingya fled to Bangladesh from Myanmar following crackdown in 2017, but the president of Myanmar denied it. So the president of the Burmese Rohingya organization also said, we seen that so many decades Rohingya facing the genocide that make destroy our community. So today, the result give us something for our community.